Is there anything better than making money while you sleep? I mean, wouldn't you love to wake up with an influx of cash creeping into your bank account? I know this concept sounds crazy, but passive income is much more than a pipe dream. You can become financially independent faster with passive income, and it doesn't eat up your time. So you can enjoy life and do things that you choose to do. This is why in today's video, we will share with you 11 ideas that will help you earn passive income. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Millionaires Insights, so that you can discover super interesting information every day. Number 11. Start a YouTube channel. Opening a YouTube channel can be a very successful source of passive income. Not only you can earn good money, but it will make you really popular. When you join YouTube by making a channel, you have the ability to earn a lot of money through YouTube. You need to be at least 18 years old or have a legal guardian older than the 18 years of age who can handle your payments via AdSense. YouTube channels can be monetized even if you don't have millions of subscribers. Your earning potential isn't determined solely by the number of subscribers and views you have, but also by the level of engagement you generate, the niche you cater to, and the revenue channels you explore. Number 10. Selling an online course. One of the best passive income ideas is selling courses or guides to an audience that needs such content. If you have expertise on any subject, this can become one of the best passive income streams for you. The money from the online course comes straight to you, and you can use it to promote your blog on the online learning platform. You only have to create content once and post it on a site where they pay to access it. And then you will be earning from that online course throughout your life. Now, a lot of guys must be thinking, how much money can you probably make by selling courses online? It won't be that much right away, but surprisingly, you can make up to $100,000 by creating your online course. Number 9. Create a digital product. While courses are digital, products you can sell over and over, there are other types of digital products you can dive into. I'm talking about ebooks, online instruction guides, and basically anything else you can market and sell online. If you think digital products can work, consider a Forbes interview that was done in 2016 with Christian rock star Chris Greenwood. While Greenwood has earned considerable sums of money online now, his first product was a self-published book. Greenwood launched the book idea on Kickstarter and raised $20,000. This just goes to show how little an idea can translate into big profits with the right plan. Number 8. Invest in a business. Another way to generate passive income is to invest and be a silent partner in a business. This is very risky, but with risk comes the potential for high returns. For instance, if we see this example, several years ago, both Lyft and Uber were looking for private investors to invest in their companies. Today, they are worth billions. But you as an investor would only reap that benefit if they go public via an IPO or get acquired. Looking at the real-life example of Warren Buffett is viewed as one of the most successful investors in history. He has amassed a multi-billion-dollar fortune mainly through buying stocks and companies through Berkshire Hathaway. Number 7. Market a niche affiliate opportunity. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make passive income today. Affiliate marketing is an income idea that requires you to have a website or platform you can use to promote other companies, or affiliates. When someone uses your affiliate link to purchase a product or sign up for a service, you get paid. Affiliate marketing is a gold mine that often remains unexplored. Most people aren't sure how to go about it, how big of a risk it is, or how much they can really earn through it. There are some extremely successful affiliate marketeers out there. One such example is Amazon Affiliate Market. Amazon is, by some factors, the largest affiliate marketing program available. Number 6. Create a lead generation website. Building your own website can be a reliable source of passive income. By building your own website, you can gain more control over what you sell and how much money you make. Ultimately, your success lies in your hands, enabling you to take your brand wherever you want it to go. Lead generation is all about creating leads and ensuring your business benefits from that all-important sales funnel. You can create your own lead gen website and earn passive income worth millions of dollars. Number 5. Network marketing. Next idea on the list to make passive income is through the network marketing, which is also a great job for the beginners. You can earn passive income through network marketing by building a team underneath you. Once you have a large team, you can earn commissions off their sales without having to do much. Network marketing can make you a millionaire in no time. This idea of passive income has generated a number of successful entrepreneurs throughout the world like Jeff Roberti, Brian McClure, Kim Hui, and Rolf Kipp, among many. Number 4. Selling stock photos. At number 4, we have selling stock photos, which is a very beneficial way of earning passive income. If you enjoy photography, you can submit your photos to a stock photo website or many of those sites and receive a commission every time someone purchases one of them. One of the biggest marketplaces to sell stock photos is Deposit Photos. You can upload your photos and earn money whenever someone uses them. Number 3. CPC Ads. Another very interesting and one of the easiest ways to earn passive income is via CPC Ads. With affiliate advertising, you can only get paid when someone clicks on your link and sign up for something or buy something. Display ads, on the other hand, pay based on the amount of traffic and eyeballs you get on their ads. With CPC ads, also known as cost per click ads, on the other hand, you get paid when someone clicks on an ad no matter what they do after that. This is in fact one of the craziest strategies to earn passive income without having to do anything. Number 2. Invest in real estate. At number 2, we have real estate, which is a pretty solid way to earn passive income. One of the most popular ways to generate real estate passive income is through rental properties. Investors who play their cards right can create a steady revenue from rental income, while they also have the option to make improvements to the property and build equity. Investing in rental properties is an effective way to earn passive income, but it often requires more work than people expect. If you don't take the time to learn how to make it a profitable venture, you could lose your investment. Now you can earn a big sum of money via passive income by doing almost nothing. Recently, it was published in Forbes that over the last 2 centuries, about 90% of the world's millionaires have been created by investing in rental properties and real estate. Number 1. Buying a blog. Instead of starting a blog from scratch, you may be able to buy one that's already earning income. Then you can turn it into a passive income by outsourcing the labor to writers and digital assistants. Some active management and communication might be necessary, especially as you try to scale. However, if you focus on putting out evergreen content with monetized affiliate links, this can turn into a very lucrative passive income idea. It can take a couple of years hustling to start bringing in the significant amount of passive income each month. So that brings us to the end of today's video. Which of these 11 passive income ideas is your favorite? Tell us in the comments, and thank you for watching.